Alright, we made it to the trailhead. Sorry for the bad audio, I don't have my mic in, but we are going to take a little shot here as a celebration to start the Memorial Day adventure with Ben and Brandon. Alright, cheers. Tink.
Thank
Smooth. All right, we hiked about 2.5, 3 miles in. It's getting dark, so we decided to stop here for the night and set up camp. We got here kind of late in the day, so yeah, the light is just fading on us. So we're gonna set up camp here. I got the Hubba Hubba out here tonight. We're gonna test this out. One of my essential items for backpacking, the 3-pound tent. So I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna put together the camp before it gets too late. I lost it!
Yeah, it's the 11 herbs and spices. Every time we go out, I add a little bit different flavor to it. So one day, it's going to be glorious flavor. Would you like to sample?
Yep. So, right now we're sampling a little bit of Ben's homemade herbs and spices. Thinking about what we want for dinner tonight. We got this little thing here in his sweet ass jacket. Oh. Alright, get down.
Oh yeah, oh my.
So what are the choices for dinner?
What are the choices for dinner, you little fuck? Did you bring your food? He's like, what? What? Oh, you said the word. You said the magic word.
You can help me finish these hard-boiled eggs.
Oh yeah, we should have an egg snack.
I guess we're having an egg snack.
The easiest water access.
These are the egg snacks we're gonna have.
Eggs in a bag.
So here's the egg right here. It's our snack, pre-dinner snack. We call it the outdoor appetizer. Mmm. So good.
Slept just fine, woke up a little rougher. That air mattress is not angled right on the ground.
Did any of those wigs get in your tent?
Nah, no wigs to report.
That's what we call a good night.
Yeah.
Good morning, YouTube. I just got up and we are going to try out this stuff from BattleBox. It is from my first box and it's the little toothpaste pack. So why don't we just try it out since we're out here and we need to clean our teeth a bit. All right. It was a little weird. It was kind of like gooey, and it almost had the same effect as Pop Rocks do. It activates with your saliva or something. But my teeth feel good. My mouth feels a little cleaner. Probably not as powerful as toothpaste, but it definitely feels nice. So, nice little quality of life item out here. The toothpaste. So I'm letting the guys try out the Vanilla Mint toothpaste rip packs. Feel better?
I like it.
You liked it?
Yeah, I can't vouch for how effective it is, but it feels clean.
Yeah.
Like if its only goal is to make you feel like your mouth is cleaner, then it worked.
All right. One of the more essential things that you can bring camping is coffee. So we're gonna make a little coffee with our little gadget here called the Jet Boil, and this little French press kind of filter thing that I got from Bespoke, which I think will come in handy. So let's do it. Here is the coffee. We also got this, I think this came from Nomadic, I want to say. Hazy Hiker, so that's what we're trying today. Alright, so basically this is like a French press contraption. Not the lightest thing, but it was our only option. Filters through this bottom here. Put your grounds in here, which we're going to do now. Here we go, we're gonna press the coffee. Coffee mug. It's like a little espresso. You want some, Ben? How much is left in there? About half. Alright, it's the morning, we're heading into the afternoon here, and our plan is to probably explore for another area since it's going to be really hot. There's not a lot of shade here, so yeah, I think this was just our first area for night one. That coffee's actually really good.
Is it sweet at all?
It's actually surprisingly sweet. It's got like a, I didn't read the bag, but it sort of tastes like a little hazelnutty. It's actually a lot stronger than I thought it was going to be too. Excellent coffee, good way to start the morning.
If I fill both of my 64-ounce filtered water.
Well, with some of the I'm not overly concerned about the water residue getting in. I'm just
Tell me when. Alright, so we got this speed hook trap for fish right next to right on the Deschutes River. So what I'm going to do is see if we can get some lunch using this. I got the line on this end here. So I got this is my rod. This is a freaking massive stick. We'll end up tying it on here. Like I said, this is super probably not right, but you gotta get creative sometimes when you don't have the tools that you need. Alright everyone, I'm trying to set this, make kind of like a fishing rig. It's super weird and probably not right, but sometimes you just gotta get a little creative.
those things where you have to put on shorts and sandals and just get in. Get it out there at least.
So, finally, third time's the charm. Got the speed trap set in the water and rigged on this tree. So, hopefully it does not float away. We'll check it later, see if there's a fish on it. This is our new water filtration system we got. Basically, you fill these up, and then put a filter on top of them. Basically, like $50. So basically, I got this water from the river here, and I'm going to transfer it over to this so it's filtered, so my clean water will be in this one. Stuff that's, I just like to have a nice stash of clean water to use. As you can see, this is flowing into that from the filter. Here in the sun and do that.
What are you doing? Squeezing the top one into the bottom one. That way I can have these filled with fresh water.
Got like a little straw here. River water. Not yet. First time here, we spent a night and probably about half a day today. What are your thoughts on Blackberry Trail next to the Deschutes River?
Well, it's peaceful at least. Wasn't a bad night's sleep.
Did you feel like there was any kind of beasts in the night?
Any beasts?
You know, like Satan creatures or...
No.
Turkey ticklers.
Or the weregoose?
No, there was no weregoose.
Do you hate this place?
No.
What's its worst quality? The wigs?
No.
Alright, well...
The lack of shade, probably. Tell them what you did.
Just now?
Yeah.
So I just checked the trap, and I pulled on it. I felt like there was something there, but it was actually just snagged in the rocks this whole time. So it was essentially just sitting there doing nothing. The trap is still not sprung yet, so that's good. Yeah, it's somewhere in here, so I'm gonna try and move away from it. Bugs. We got the mac and cheese for lunch. Freeze-dried mac and cheese. Hopefully it's good. And we're gonna mix it with this creamy chicken and rice stuff. That's good. Cheers to the afternoon out here. Oh, so good. Oh, the trap got sprung, but there's nothing on the end. We're gonna call it on this guy.
What if it was like seahorses? What if they had the dicks and then they just shot you full of eggs and then it just grew inside of you and then, you know, like seahorses?
Put this on YouTube?
I mean...
Well, just eat them both.
You can have it.
Wow.
Ho ho!
Salty.
Mm-hmm. There's one thing about camping that always is done. It is telling ghost stories.